15 things that poor people do that rich don't. Welcome to WWO, the place where future millions comes to get inspired. If you haven't subscribed yet, you are missing out. Subscribe now. We know that many of you are on your way to achieve financial success. So we wanted to put together a list of things that poor people do which guarantee rich don't. Please note all of these with grain of salt and realize these are here to make you think about your current situation and what you could do to better yourself. The thing is, whenever we do a video like this, some people will always take offense. Let's jump into topics. Here are 15 things that poor people do that rich don't. Number one, poor people watch a lot of TV. Let me put it in this way. If you have the time to watch reality TV, you are probably poor. It's always amazing how much time poor people waste on meaningless television. It's one of those distractions that grabs you and doesn't let go. If you know which celebrity is dating, if you are watching TV shows every week as the episodes coming on, if you have a favorite news channel, you are probably watching too much TV, hence why your life is the way it is. Let us explain. Celebrity gossips and buzz offers no value to your life. It's only served the celebrities. Rich people aim to be on TV instead of watching it. You might say, but I'm watching as a big band and theory, which is a really funny show, and it's helped me to disconnect. That's exactly the issue. You disconnect from your problems instead of dealing with them and getting them out of the way. There are rare occasions where, in the words of Jonah Lennon, you enjoy wasting is not wasting. So let me explain what meant by having a favorite view channel. You might say the only good reason to watch TV is to be aware of what's happening in the world, staying informed the problems. Where we seeing TV stations are always biased in order to pitch their on magenta. Instead, use the power of the internet to get a quick glimpse of what the world is like today and on to do your thing. Number two, poor people eat fast food. Health is really important, and many poor people have no interest in knowing what is their food, what an actual health mean look like, or barely know anything about nutrition. Poor people are blasting their brains with large quantities of sugar and fats with no nutritional value. They are actively running their bodies, and it, as in effect, they cannot perform at 100% of their potential. If you are not healthy, all aspects of your life are directly affected. You will see suffer physically, mentally, professionally, and even romantically. Number three, poor people buy clothes or products that are on sale. Yes, this is also. Let me put it this way: the only things you should buy on sale are stocks, while poor people are looking to conserve or stretch their title that they have. The rich are focused on increasing their incomes. Just think about it. The clothes that end up being on sale are the ones that people who could afford to pay the full price did not want to buying clothes on sale. You are just making sure that you are looking exactly like someone who cannot afford to pay the full price. Number four, poor people wake up later than rich people. Poor people are often lazy than the rich is in the earlier days. We know that some of you will be bothered a lot by the previous statement, but statistically it is the truth. Someone who used their youth to grow themselves is a lot less likely to remain poor later on life. Did not educate yourself, wasting time on meaningless activity at the point you will find yourself so far behind what the world needs from you that you will end up miserable. The paradox is that people who do not focus on growth in earlier days end up working a lot harder with little success rate. Number five, where people are really into sports. The truth is, unless you are a professional athlete or an owner of one of the team, there is no reason for you to watch sports. It's the escapism from your current reality. Think about it like this: you are putting yourself in a position where you are on individual have no impact on the outcome of the game. Zero impact. This behavior the stick with you and you end up being a spectator in life instead of being a player, and that's when you start criticizing other people when yourself haven't done anything better. Number six, poor people don't shower as often as rich people. When initially we thought this was just a made up fact, but it turns out to be true and amazing. It explains a lot when you really think about it. Most of the jobs today are in the service industries where human contact is must in order to have a successful exchange of value. People who don't have good personal hygiene will be less successful in their counterparts. People tend to trust them less. People want to spend less time when their presence, and all of this has ramifications in this professional life. If people don't like you and don't want to be around you, what kind of partner you will attract exactly? It might seem ridiculous, but the first step to success should be an earlier morning shower. Number seven, poor people blame others for their misfortune. How many people do you know that have some sort of excuse of blame other factor for not being successful yet? There are something that are out of our control, but 99% of your life is on you. Remember that you are in charge of your life. You are in charge of your relationship. You are in charge of your health. You want this to change? Do something about it. Life is not what happened to us, it's how we react to what happened to us. When something bad happens, the poor change to victimize themselves while the rich look into study it. They seek to find out what happened and how they can protect from it. Number 8. Poor people have no money saved. And one of the difference between poor people and the rich is that the farmer don't get ready for what's next. Having money put aside allow for growth. Let's say something bad happen. If you have money put aside, the problem is solved and you can resume your life. If you don't and the situation is urgent, what do you do? Either liquidate an assets like your car, house, etc. Or you can take loan for it. The rich, when the situation is over, they are left in the same positions. While for someone who is poor, their lifestyle has been dramatically hit or now belongs to the creditor. Now let's look at the exact opposite and opportunity arise. Those who have money put aside now have the chance to expand their life while the others can't afford to take a full advantage of this opportunity. That's why exactly rich are growing richer while poor are getting poorer. Number 9. Poor people use credit cards or take out a loan for useless things. One of the main difference between rich and poor is how they make use of the credit. The rule is simple. If you take out a loan to buy something that doesn't generate more money than the loan, don't take it. You should only use credit for an investment. Don't take a loan for large TV. Don't want a loan to buy that new Supreme gear. Don't want to use credit card to get the new iPhone unless you are flipping the Supreme gear for profits or you are using your iPhone to develop a new app to grow your business. Number 10. Poor people tends to have more kids and earlier in life. The truth is my kids are really expensive. We all know how fun it is to make them or at least practice making them, but people get stuck up to this point. They don't think it is true. Number 11. Poor people do not do regular checkup with their doctors. We have touched on the importance of health in the past, but this one is especially important point for people who do not get themselves checked regular. By mere chance, you end up having a different disease. Let's say cancer. If you do regular checks, you discover in earlier stage, making the treatment possible at a low cost. If on the other hand you neglect to do, you might discover it only when it's too late. It will cost both you and your entire family a fortune, and no matter how money you have, you might still lose your life. Number 12. Poor people spend money before they get it. One of the biggest danger in life is the spending money before you have it. The second you start borrowing money on acquiring expenses before you are able to pay them, your life is started to spiral down. If you don't have money to for something that your life willing to part without affecting your life, then you can't afford it. Go back to work and then get it. Number 13. Poor people surrounded themselves with other poor people. You are the sum of the five people you have hung out with most. If you are surrounded by four people, guess who's the fifth? One of the way people make sure the poor is by associating with themselves or hanging out with other poor people. That reinforce their core beliefs you further that are doing incredible things themselves, whose success will only motivate you to exceed yourself current reality. If you are hanging out with the same people you did when you were wrong, you might want to double check. Don't be afraid to step away from a crowd and move onto something better. If you don't, your potential will probably be crushed by those who wanted to feel better about their miserable lives by making sure you suffer some fates. Number 14. Poor people never follow through on their idea or potential. You are not able to control who your parents are, where you are born, or the way society treats you. The only things you can control is the amount of hour you put into your dream. Every single person live has only 24 hours per day, and yet some do a lot more than other. If you dedicate yourself to learning and implementing more about what you are passionate about, it's only a matter of time until you reach success. Number 15. Poor people believe that others should help them. Reach the top. The world does not own you or anything. Nobody does believe it or not. You are in this by yourself. You are in charge what happen in your life. The things is everyone believes when they are young that they are going to be successful, but then reality happens. This world we are living in reward only the best, those that never cut, those that keep learning, keep adapting, and understanding that nobody will solve their problem for them. And also make sure to subscribe for future opportunities.